Good, that's lovely to hear. Do you all know what are mobile phones? Mobile phones क्या होते हैं? What are mobile phones? Do you all know? Have you all seen mobile? I know you all see mobile very much. I'm just I will not use mobile very much. Mobile phones are very harmful for our eyes. Mobile makes us feel tired and sleepy. We should not use mobile phone very much. We will learn